Good morning students. I am Renu Green from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Today we will revise chapter number 9, that is food. And in this chapter we will revise about food, sources of food, types of food, meal time and healthy habit. First is food. Food is very important for us in many ways. It gives us energy to work and play. It keeps our body fit. It helps us to grow. यह हमें बढ़ने में भी हेल्प करता है. Food makes us strong. वो हमें strong बनाता है. So हमने क्या पढ़ा food के बारे में? Food gives us energy. Second, it makes our body strong. It makes our body strong. It keeps us healthy. It keeps us healthy. It helps us to grow. It helps us to grow. Now, what are the sources of food? From where we get food? हमें कहाँ से खाना मिलता है? There are two sources of food. There are two sources of food. Two sources of food. Is plants and animals. From plants we get fruits, vegetables, right? And from animals we get milk and meat, chicken, egg, etc. we get from animals. Now, types of food. There are three types of food. First one is protective food. In protective food, fruits and vegetables are coming under protective food. So we will write fruits and vegetables comes under protective food. ये याद रखना बच्चों, fruits and vegetable जो है वो protective food के examples हैं. अगर आप fruit या any fruit, for example papaya, mango, pineapple, strawberry, they are protective food, okay? And fruits we eat them raw. हम उसको बिना पकाए भी खा सकते हैं. But vegetables, some vegetables we eat them raw, but some vegetables we cook after then we eat it, right? So fruits and vegetables are protective food. Fruits and vegetables protect our body from falling sick by increasing our immunity power. ये हमें protect करते हैं. They protect us from falling sick by increasing our immunity. Okay? Now, second one is energy giving food. So, wheat and rice comes under energy giving food. Wheat and rice comes under energy giving food and they are also called cereals. Okay? Wheat and rice are cereals and they give us energy to work and play. They give us energy, to work and play. Now, last one is body building food. Milk, meat, egg, pulses comes under body building food. So milk, meat, pulses comes under body building food and they make our body strong, makes our body strong. Now from where we get milk? Cow, buffalo and goat, they give us milk. Meat from animals, right? Egg, hen and duck. पल्सेस के अंदर में स्टूडेंट्स सारी दालें आती हैं, जैसे कि मूंग दाल, राजमा, चना दाल, अरहर दाल, right? They comes under pulses. So there are three types of food: protective food, that is fruits and vegetable; energy giving food, wheat and rice; body building food, milk, meat, egg and pulses. अगर हमने पूछा name two protective food, तो आप क्या बताएंगे? Fruits and vegetables. Or you can write apple, banana, cabbage, brinjal, any vegetable or fruit name you can write. Okay. Now name two energy giving food, that is wheat and rice. Wheat and rice are energy giving food. They are the example of energy giving food. So अगर हमने पूछा name two body building food, so you have to write milk, meat, egg and pulses. Any two you can write. Okay. Now next one is meal time. Students, what do you mean by meal time? Meal time means the time we eat our meal, that is called meal time. So the time we eat meal, that is meal time. And there are three meal times in a day. First one is breakfast. First one is breakfast, means break the fast. When we take breakfast in the morning, so the food that we eat in the morning, that is called breakfast. The food that we eat in the morning, that is called breakfast. Now second is lunch. When we take lunch in the afternoon, so the food that we eat in the afternoon, the food that we eat in the afternoon, that is called breakfast. जो कि हम स्कूल में जब लंच करते हैं तो वो क्या होता है, हमारा रिसेस जब होता है उसको हम लंच बोलते हैं, और जो हम घर से खा के आते हैं वो हम ब्रेकफास्ट बोलते हैं, और जब हम घर पे जाते हैं रात में जब खाना खाते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिनर. सो इट इज द लास्ट मील ऑफ द डे एंड द फूड दैट वी ईट एट नाइट, द फूड that we eat at night are called dinner. Okay, so there are three meal times in a day. First one is breakfast. Breakfast means the food that we eat in the morning, that is called breakfast. Lunch, the food that we eat in the afternoon, that is called lunch. And dinner, the food that we eat at night. So at night, afternoon and morning, ये याद रखना है हमें. Breakfast we take in morning, lunch in afternoon, dinner at night. Okay. Next one is vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarians and non-vegetarians. First, we know about non-vegetarian. Who are non-vegetarian persons? Those people who eat egg, meat, fish and chicken are called non-vegetarian. So the people who eat meat, egg, fish and chicken are called non-vegetarian. Are called non-vegetarians. And what is vegetarians? So the people who do not eat meat, egg, fish and chicken are called vegetarians. वो लोग जो ये सब चीज़ें नहीं खाते हैं उनको हम वेजिटेरियन बोलते हैं. तो the people who do not eat these things or items are called vegetarians. Now, healthy habits. हमारी जो खाने की आदत होती है वो कैसी होनी चाहिए? First, we should always wash our hand before and after the meal. जब हम खाना खाने जाते हैं तो हमें हाथ धोकर खाना खाना चाहिए और खाना खाने के बाद अपने हाथों को अच्छे से वॉश करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, फूड शुड बी कुक्ड इन अ क्लीन यूटेंसिल. मीन्स जो हमारा खाना बना होता है वो एक साफ बर्तन में बना होना चाहिए. सो ऑलवेज कीप द फूड कवर्ड. जो हमारा खाना है जब हम बना लेते हैं उसको अच्छे से कवर करके रखना चाहिए जिससे उसमें कोई कीड़ा या कुछ भी डस्ट वगैरह ना चली जाए. इसलिए हमें उस खाने को ढककर रखना चाहिए. एंड नेवर वेस्ट फूड. हमें खाने की रेस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए कि हमें वो खाना मिल रहा है. कई लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको वो खाना नहीं मिलता है. सो नेवर वेस्ट फूड. हमें खाने को कभी बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यही इस चैप्टर में सब कुछ है जो आपको समझना है. इसी के बिहाफ पे हम हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम्स में आपसे क्वेश्चंस पुट ऑन करेंगे. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सम एक्सरसाइजेस टू यू दैट यू हैव टू राइट इन योर रफ नोटबुक. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. फर्स्ट वन इज फूड गिव्स अस डैश टू वर्क. फूड गिव्स अस डैश टू वर्क. Here gives, okay, S gives us dash to work. Second one is never dash food. Third one is food should always be kept dash. Fourth one is fruits and vegetables are dash food. Fifth one is meat, egg and pulses are dash food. Last one is we get food either from dash and dash. So you have to fill these blanks with the correct word. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.